Hey guys, Liam here from Liam Perry PB007, and in today's video I am doing a reacted video which Ryan told me to do. So he's gonna hold the camera at the laptop because I'm reacting to Seagulls Stop It Now, a bad lip reading for The Empire Strikes Back.
Okay.
Let's do this.
Turn it up.
Oh, I don't know. Right. I get the idea. So far, basically trying to lip read what they're trying to say. Okay, let's go back a bit. And pause it. R2D2 was in the back corner there. Alright. Alright, again, most people would say this really wrongly. But did it just say poke me in the coconut?
I think you did.
Most people would find that to be really oh, sorry about that, guys. Really bad.
Like this guy here.
I don't find it bad, I find it really weird, and they did, so, alright, carry on. Alright, I don't know if it's true, but I swear Yoda had Force. I'm not a big Star Wars person, but I swear he had Force.
You can just bounce them back, couldn't you?
Why didn't you just use it? Oh yeah, I paused on a really good face here. But giant feet, just to outrun birds. I swear you would still lose. Why R2D2? I swear, as you saw earlier, he was on the back corner of the house around there. When it next sees it, you can see it when he moves out of the way. But really,